Hello friends, today we are going to understand about the several experiments in the photosynthesis. So now let us start with the very first experiment. In this there is a variegated leaf. The word variegated it means there is a spotted dot which is present in the leaf which does not perform the photosynthesis. Further, we are covering the leaf with the black paper. As a result, the sunlight does not fall. So, as the leaf is covered with the black paper, as the sunlight does not fall, so the no photosynthesis takes place. As the photosynthesis does not occur, no glucose and no starch formation takes place. Hence, from this we can conclude that light and chlorophyll is necessary for the performance of the photosynthesis. But the remaining portion of the leaf that remains green color due to the chlorophyll pigment, as previously I have mentioned about the chlorophyll. So the remaining portion of the leaf will perform the process of the photosynthesis, and the product that is glucose and starch will be formed. So to confirm the process of photosynthesis, we are adding the reagent that is iodine. From this we can get the result that the portion will become bluish in color, either that will be blackish, or we can say that blue blackish color will be obtained by adding iodine. So now let us understand the second experiment of the photosynthesis unit. In this, we are taking the complete portion of the green plant or the green leaf. This leaf is completely green in color. Now we are putting the tube having cotton soaked with KOH, and then we are covering as the KOH is the carbon dioxide absorber, so it will absorb the carbon dioxide completely. As a result, the process of photosynthesis will not be performed by this portion of the leaf. Results into that the half portion of the leaf will not be able to perform the process of the photosynthesis, and hence we can conclude that the carbon dioxide is necessary for performing the photosynthesis. As the half portion of the plant has not performed the photosynthesis, so there will be no glucose and no starch will be stored, and as a result the iodine test will be negative. But the remaining portion of the leaf that will remains as it is green in color, so there will be photosynthesis process takes place, and as a result the test of the iodine will be positive. So this was about the experiment number 2. Now let us understand the third experiment. As the third experiment is a bell jar experiment, and this bell jar experiment was explained by the scientist whose name is Joseph Priestley. Now he took the three things, that is bell jar, mice and candle. Now he took the bell jar which is completely transparent as the sunlight can pass through it, and he covered the bell jar, and inside it there were mice and candle. Now the result was the mice died and the candle had been extinguished in the very first result. Now in the second time he took the mint plant and then covered with the bell jar. Now, the result what he obtained was that mice and candle, that is, mice remains alive and candle remains burning. So, this was his conclusion